Who held the Senate like Iroko when the Senate was the Senate.
Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I looked at the high table and I tried to see who did not help in bringing this administration into being. I think all of them did. Well, they are paying the price now. See, for us Christians, they say there is no repentance without penance. So this is the penance they're doing for the government they installed themselves. I want to appreciate my colleague, the chairman of NNPP, for the wonderful delivery that he did on behalf of all of us Nigerians. I want to ask a basic fundamental question to those who are followers and who are shouting continuation of this administration. What is the problem with transmitting results instantly? Why is it a difficult issue? Unless there is something there that the rest of us don't know. And of course, there must be something. We can see it from FCT election. Again, the second issue is, why do you dabble into political parties' mode of selection of their candidates? What is the problem? Why do you want to be a party to it when you are not? You see, in my place, they say if you are not a member of a dancing group, don't be criticizing those who are dancing, that they are not dancing according to the drum. Leave the political parties, let them select their own people. It is not part of your business. The other issue is the level of thuggery that has been introduced into politics now. It has never been this much. We haven't started campaign, and now you can imagine what will happen when we start campaign. The only reason that APC is desperate is because they're sure they cannot win the next election in a free and fair contest. Well, their desperation won't take them too far. As you heard from the address, we're prepared for the shenanigans that they're coming up with. We will defend our votes and we'll make sure that our votes count. We have learned lessons from FCT election. It's a hard lesson though, but we've learned it the hard way. But I just want to assure Nigerians, the position will stand for the truth, we stand for justice, we stand for free, fair, transparent, credible election. I want to thank all of you who have come to grace this occasion and thank my brother chairman and all those who are here today. Before I sit down, let me just caution the administration. Incarcerating opponents or people in opposition will not help their case. I think it is only fair and proper that as Nigerians, they treat us with a lot of caution. They treat us with respect, and they give us the opportunity to be able to stand as opposition in a free, fair society. Thank you very much. Good luck.